Today, we are launching our Autumn Splendor pattern collection. This collection is a perfect mix of useful everyday patterns that combine durability with functionality and bring a few new styles to your handmade bag assortment. We hope that you'll find this new collection is perfect for all of your favorite fall activities as well as your handmade holiday prep. And if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe to our email newsletter, which is linked below, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know when a new tutorial for each of these patterns releases, as well as fresh kits to go along with each of the patterns. The patterns in this collection were inspired to streamline everyday life as we transition into winter and holiday preparations. Let's take a closer look at each of these new patterns. Our first pattern in the collection is named Casablanca, and it is practical and stylish for carrying all of your essentials on the go. Casablanca is a water tumbler carry-all, perfect for festivals or students who need a hands-free, stylish way to stay hydrated. The pattern resolves the issue of bulky water bottles and provides a lightweight, easy-to-carry solution. Whether you're off to the gym, exploring the outdoors, or navigating your daily errands, the addition of a cell phone and zipper pocket makes this a must-have accessory for an active lifestyle. Our second pattern is called Houdini, and this pattern is deceptively fun in its construction. The Houdini is a clever pouch featuring an unusual zipper closure. You'll be amazed how easily this project comes together. It can be used as a wristlet or for travel organization. It pairs beautifully with any of our Sallie tomato bag patterns and nestles perfectly inside any larger bag. Its compact design is ideal for both crafters and everyday use. The third pattern in this collection is called Bonnie, and you can't go wrong with a great everyday tote bag. This large carry-all has several pockets, comfortable shoulder straps, and a roomy interior, so you can carry everything you need and more. It can carry all of your fall farmers market finds or double as a work tote, solving the need for a versatile, roomy, yet fashionable bag for fall and winter activities. Since the pattern was designed in partnership with Sallie of America, the Bonnie also offers areas for embroidery and embellishment, creating a fun opportunity to show off your creativity. And the final pattern in this collection is Martha, which is an easy-to-sew sewing machine mat for organizing, which is a great gift for your sewing bestie or for yourself to help organize your sewing space in the new year. This sewing machine mat helps organize sewing tools and notions, solving the problem of workspace clutter. It's an ideal gift for sewing enthusiasts, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. This project is made with a non-slip backing to provide a smooth, stable work surface. It also features customizable pockets for holding and organizing tools. We hope you're inspired by our Autumn Splendor collection and are looking forward to making these projects to help you transition between the seasons. As you make these projects, we would love to see your photos and how you made each of these patterns into your own creative design. Use the hashtag SallieTomato on social media so we can see it. We've added links to these brand new patterns down below, including special limited edition kits. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that way you get notified when a video tutorial for these patterns releases. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to sewing with you soon.